Assalamu alaikum 6 class. It's English ladder, and students, today we have to start our lesson number 11. It is also about the history, as you know that we are reading such type of the lessons, and it's last lesson of our first term syllabus. And prepare your syllabus that we have discussed or that we have read properly. So let's start a lesson of today. The Trojan horse. Students, it's about the history, and I wanna inform you that in this lesson we'll read about the fight that had been fought between the two countries. The first one is the Greeks, and the second one is the Trojans. Trojans and the Greeks were the great nations, and they were very strong, but they fought a great or historical war against each other just because of one queen, and the queen was Helen. Students, Queen Helen was the queen of the Sparta, and Sparta was relating to the area of the Greeks. So in this way, the queen of the Sparta was the queen of the Greeks. When the Trojans kidnapped the queen of the Sparta, it means the Greeks, they could not bear their insult, and they started to fight against the Trojans. Many archaeologists rediscovered the sites of the war and such type of the things, and other Greek poets have already discussed about the war that had been fought between the countries. First one is the Iliad, and then the Odyssey. This one, the names of the book in which they have discussed about the events of the wars. You can read this passage and then you can get it. Then students, come to the main point, the characters that we have to discuss in this story. First one is the narrator that is describing the story that the war had been fought between two countries. And then Odysseus, students, this is the Greek hero, also known as Ulysses. Students, Odysseus, this is the great general of the Greeks. It means uh, as you can listen the name of the generals in Pakistani army, कि वो हमारी पाकिस्तानी आर्मी का ये जनरल है, वो पूरी आर्मी को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. लाइक दिस ओडिसियस वाज कंट्रोलिंग द army of the Greeks, and that is known as a great hero as well. And then the Greek soldiers we also see who sat in the horse after presenting to the Trojans. जो हॉर्स उन लोगों ने पेश किया था ट्रोजन्स को, उसके अंदर जो सोल्जर्स बैठे हुए थे उनका जिक्र आता है. और वैसे भी जो हमें बातें करते हुए लेसन में नज़र आएंगे वो सारे क्या हैं, ग्रीक सोल्जर्स हैं. एंड देन अदर सोल्जर्स वी आल्सो फाइंड इन द लेसन. फर्स्ट वन, ट्रोजन सोल्जर 1, then Trojan soldier 2, and then Trojan soldier 3. We'll see their dialogues in the story. Okay students, I hope that your concept about the characters is clear. Now it's easy to discuss the main theme or the main idea of the lesson. In our wording, we will discuss the main theme of the lesson. 6th class, I have already told you that basically this war was fought between the two countries, Greeks and the Trojans. As you can see in this picture, the situation that the soldiers are planning for the war. The Trojans and the Greeks were against each other because the Trojans kidnapped their queen Helen, as I have already told you, who was very beautiful. Helen was very beautiful. She is known as the most beautiful lady in the world. Menelaus was the husband of the Helen. He was a jilted husband of the Helen. Jilted means rejected husband of the Helen. She did not like Menelaus, but in spite of all these things, Menelaus thought that she was his wife, and he should care for her, and he should get released from the Trojans. कि इसके बावजूद भी वो कहता है कि वो उसकी बीवी है, तो उसको जो ट्रोजन्स हैं उनसे ज़रूर छुड़वाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनकी इज्जत का मामला है, वो इस इंसल्ट को बियर नहीं कर सकते. Trojans were very foolish. We will read this thing in the coming lesson. Then Agamemnon, this is the most important character in this story as well. Agamemnon, who was the brother of the Menelaus. Menelaus convinced his brother to start their expedition to get release the Helen from the Trojan captors, and Agamemnon agreed after thinking about it, and they started their expedition to get release the Helen from the Trojan captors. And then they went to the ट्रोय एंड ट्रोय स्टूडेंट्स वाज अ वर्ल्ड सिटी. सिटी होती है वो एक बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूत सिटी होती है कि उस सिटी में इंटर होने के लिए उनकी जो बड़ी बड़ी दीवारें हैं उनके गेट से इंटर होकर फिर उसमें दाखिल होना पड़ता है. और वो जो उसके गेट पर बहुत ज़्यादा जो सोल्जर्स होते हैं कि दैट इट कुड नॉट ईजी टू enter in the city. As you can see in the picture that it's a walled city and they have the big and enormous gates to enter, and before evening, just before evening, they stopped the entrance of any stop entering any person, and without identity card or such type of the thing, they could not allow anyone to enter. So it was not easy to enter the city. That's why from for the almost for the 10 years they started their fight against the Trojans, but they could not succeed. At last, the Odysseus, who was a general, he hit upon a plan, and he prepared, or he gave the suggestion to prepare a very enormous wooden horse, as you can see. And this horse from the inner side is empty, कि ये जो हॉर्स है अंदर से खाली है. दे डिसाइडेड दैट would be empty from the inner side, so that 15 or more than 15 soldiers could could sit in it easily. Or the Trojans were very fool. They accepted the horse without any hesitation or without thinking, and they accept it as their victory, and they announced that they would celebrate their victory after receiving this horse. And after receiving this horse, they had to take it into the city after opening these doors. So in this way, when they were busy in celebrating their victory, the Greeks attacked there. The Greek soldiers came out from the swords and they attacked to the Trojans, and they released the queen of the Sparta, Helen, from the Trojan captors. Okay students, I hope that your concept about the main theme is clear. Now let's study the difficult word meanings of the lesson, the Trojan horse. First word is ancient. Ancient means kadeem, purana, historical, connected to the past. It also gives the meaning of past, kadeem. Site, area, कोई भी इलाका. Rediscover, find again, दोबारा से दरियाफ्त करना. Uncovered, reveal. ज़ाहिर, kingdom, domain, बादशाहत. Destroyed, ruined, तबाह शुदा, perhaps, maybe, शायद. Recounts, narrate, किसी चीज़ को बयान करना. Significant, important, अहम होना. Openings, holes, सुराख. Brilliant, outstanding. फतीन, pretending, claim. दावा करना या फिर किसी चीज़ का दिखावा करना. Bunch, cluster, गुच्छा. मैग्निफिसेंट, स्प्लेंडिड, शानदार. जेंट, एनॉर्मस, बहुत बड़ा. डेफिनेटली, श्योरली, यकीनन. कवर्ड्स, वन हु लेक्स करेज, बुज़दिल. रबिश, मैन्योर, गोबर वगैरह या फिर इसी तरह की कोई गंदगी. कैप्टर्स, वन हु कैप्चर्स एनी पर्सन, वो जो गिरफ्तार करके ले जाते हैं या फिर चीज़ें चुरा लेते हैं किसी इंसान को या किसी भी चीज़ को. किडनैप्ड, स्टोलन, अगवा करना. जिल्टेड, रिजेक्टेड, दुदकारा हुआ. टॉलरेट, बियर, बर्दाश्त करना. माइसिनी, ग्रीक सिटी. एंड एक्सपीडिशन, एडवेंचरस जर्नी. कोई भी ऐसा सफ़र जिसके पीछे कोई बड़ा मकसद हो, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड एक्सपीडिशन। रिट्राइव, रिकवर, दोबारा से दरियाफ्त करना। वेल, डिफेंड, सिक्योर, अलाउ, परमिट, इजाज़त देना। मीन वाइल, उसी दौरान, एट द सेम टाइम। स्नीक, स्लिंक, जलील करना या जलील इंसान। हाइड हीड, प्लेस आउट ऑफ साइट, नज़रों से ओझल। गिविंग अप, सीज डूइंग एनी एक्टिविटी, तर्क कर देना किसी चीज़ को। रिमाइंडर, थिंग दैट एवोक्स अ मेमोरी, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो कि यादगार बन जाती है हमारी याददाश्त के लिए, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड। Okay students, we have read the difficult word meanings. Except those word meanings, we have to learn or study the book read meanings, as you can see here. Now let's start reading that how to read with the intonation, and according to this concept or method, you have to read the remaining paragraphs of the story. Okay, let's start. The ancient Greeks treated the Trojan War as a historical event which had taken place hundreds of years ago. The site of Troy, which is now in western Turkey, was rediscovered by archaeologists. They uncovered evidence of a kingdom that might have been destroyed a long time ago, perhaps forming the basis for the tales recounted by Homer, the famous Greek poet. Some 400 years later, in the Iliad and the Odyssey, the Iliad recounts some of the significant events of the final week of the Trojan War and how the Greeks laid siege to the city of Troy. It tells the story of the Greek struggle to rescue Helen, the Greek queen, from the Trojan captors. Okay students, in the next video, we'll inshallah discuss about the comprehension and some grammatical concept. Till then, Allah Hafiz.